where you be the jabata. I no get time, I did that bada. That cover my face, calling me that bada. Biggie man, we don't be get bada. What's it come? Chihuahua, all the men, they can't ride the road. I no feet, die for nothing. What's it come? Chihuahua, all the men, they can't ride the road. I no feet, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must comment it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, they try to take me to another way. Plenty survive with this. Just to make your money. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. You know tell me, what's it go? You want go? All the Bentley, they can't ride the boat. I know feet, die for nothing. What's it go? You want go? All the Bentley, they can't ride the boat. I know different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my boat, I'm paddling. Shout out Shinabella, that's my bro, my family. Rose and trace. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Make I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shine, I'll be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it come? You want to all the men, they can't ride the boat. I no feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You want to all the men, they can't ride the boat. I no feet, oh now.
Alex Epps. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee. Because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, was me out of fear. You find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause the point of crying, it was never even now. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy.
You say that I'm good enough, but I'm not good enough. Think about shit that I shouldn't have. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cap. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, but he blowing her back. Think about me, cause we know that it's fat. And it been what it been. Calling his phone like you'll send me a pin. Look at my shit cause he know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. If I had it my way, you would know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part.
It's the sunrise and those brown eyes. Yes. You're the one that I desire. When we wake up and then we make love, it makes me feel so nice. You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're the Tylenol all I take when my head hurts. You're the sunshine of my life. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, then you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part. If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you?
Yellow.
My friend went with you girls. young lady, get in the frame more. If you move from that spot right there, put that down.
No. The hell?
Like I said, to drop that now. 5 seconds. 5.
Who you feeling like? Real shit, like.
Don't ever tell me no again. Alright, now, I said 2.5.
Okay, go ahead, go ahead.
2. 1.5.
already said my answer.
Drop it. Drop it now.
Drop it is crazy.
So your damn face. Alright, girls, now. Can you two spell? Drop it. You ain't got no ass. Alright, girls, now, can you two spell dog? Yes or no?
Yes.
Spell it.
D-O-G.
I said spell it. No damn dog. Wait a minute. Come on. Which one you? His name J.
J.
I don't look at me. I don't care about your name. Why did you put 18 for? What's the point of that?
Then what you ask? What you put your name and put your age?
Excuse me?
What you asked what her name was for? If you was just gonna say I don't care, that's what I say.
Oh, you give me lip? Okay, now I'm gonna put your finger up in your face. Okay, now you. Now you. What's look at me with crooked teeth? What's 10 times 10? Young lady, I'm
Don't
talking
answer
to you.
that. Just pissed me off. Real shit.
First of all, my second complete. There would be no curse, no hair.
My bad, sir. Real sugar honey iced tea. I didn't cuss. Me off.
You do that nonsense, man.
You said don't cuss. I didn't cuss.
Girls,
You should be proud of me.
Oh my gosh, it's Michael! The autistic one!
What?
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
How you doing?
Good.
Man, is my shit freezing up for you? Or what?
Real bad.
Bro, I live in the forest and it keeps freezing up. I live in the woods.
Is that somebody behind you? Like. I'm trying to get my laughs out. You remember Seattle? Yo. It was getting weird. It was. The shadows high.
Alright, can you text her though? Cause like, no, shit.
Thank you. I wasn't doing it. Oh shit, I fucked it up. I fucked it up to me. What'd you do?
that's the switch code.
My last. What'd you do?
Fuck that nigga ass, the sledge man. You got all the snitching in it.
What?
Sweet cheese, all that snitching in it. Won't fuck now. You got the water, huh?
Thanks. You're too young. It's hot.
Yeah, y'all.
Yo.
Yeah, how old are y'all?
18.
How old is your friend?
We twins.
Are that, twins. I bet. I just want to set the tone for the new year for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Yo, listen, go that. No. Yo, listen.
That's crazy.
That nigga y'all talking to do not love y'all. You don't fuck with y'all for real. You fucking your best friend. Listen, leave that nigga alone. You don't love neither one of y'all. You know what I'm saying? So listen. Do you be a thought? Have fun. 2025. Welcome to Dunkin' Donuts. Tell me how to take your order. My friend, bitch.
Ooh, don't piss me off.
How may I take your order, my friend?
I got Dunkin' Donuts upstairs. I'm good.
Wait, yo, come in the camera. My friend. Y'all both twins, right? Yo, come in the camera. So y'all gonna order the same thing, right? Come on the camera.
Whose nails are those?
This light-skinned nigga wants y'all in the camera.
I fuck with him.
With the green. He wanna see you in the green with the green bandana.
It's 3 people right there.
But he.
Who that person behind you with the?
About that. He wanna introduce on the Dunkin'.
I just said her nails was nice.
That's my nails. Don't worry about my
No, it's not, because you don't sound like a woman.
That's
exactly. And she pretty.
Thank you.
Why y'all hating? Thank you. That should be a stick. Toyin, you didn't put enough stuff on it. Yes, I did. No, you didn't. Did you put it on your waterline or your wax? I don't know, but I need some more because
Bitch, I didn't die. You ain't gonna say, "Are you okay?"
I was about to say that, and so I was waiting until you was done to ask, "Was you okay? Are you okay?"
I didn't jump the fucking gun. I didn't jump the gun. I'm sorry. You ever forgive me?
Sure.
Okay. How you spending your New Year's Eve?
We chilling.
I don't give a fuck. I want the black bitch. I don't even like light skin. I want the dark skin. The dark skin is so fucking beautiful. Like, god damn, cuz.
Thank you.
Real. Yeah, my brother like the light skin bitches though.
I'm not light skinned. It's the light.
Where the dark bitch at?
Calling my sister a bitch is crazy.
I want the dark skin. I want the dark skin with the glasses right next to you. That's
You better hope she wants you.
Please, can you please want me back, please? Please.
You want them to it?
Please.
You get on my nerves.
Okay, I'm gonna just move for it. I'm sorry.
You're not bad looking. It wasn't bad looking. You just called me a bitch. Yeah, I was gonna skip anyway. Right there. What is she doing? I had to hit the. Had to see if my head was on.
Well.